Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see the solutions of exercise 8.4. Okay, see here all the problems in exercise 8.4 are based on midpoint theorem. What is that? Midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem means a triangle. Okay, if in a triangle, if the midpoints of two sides is parallel to third side and also half of it. So midpoints ni join chestu draw chesina line third side ki parallel ga untundi and half ga kuda untundi. So DE parallel to BC and DE is equals to half BC. Okay. See, the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and also half of it. So, the converse of this midpoint theorem is, in a triangle, the line drawn through a midpoint of one side. Okay, it's a midpoint of one side. A line is drawn through the midpoint of one side and it is parallel to another side. Then, this line bisects the third side. Okay, so this is the converse of midpoint theorem. Based on these 2 points, we will solve all the problems in exercise 8.4. See, first one, ABC is a triangle, D is a point on AB such that AD equals to 1/4 AB and E is a point on AC such that A equals to 1/4 AC. If DE equals to 2 centimeters, find BC. So first write the given steps. Here DE equals to 2 centimeters. So very easily you can solve, ma. Okay. So to solve this problem, let X and Y are the midpoints of AB and AC. X and Y అనే points ని AB, AC కి midpoints గా తీసుకుంటున్నాం. Okay. AB and AC కి. So let it be X and let it be Y. Okay. XY. So now in triangle AXY, D and E are, this AX is 1/2, right? And AD is 1/4. That means D is half of AX only, na? Okay. So in triangle AXY, DE parallel to XY. Okay. And D comma E are midpoints. So we can write, so that implies DE is equals to half XY. DE equals to half XY. Okay. So we know what is DE. How much? 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters is equals to half XY. So then if we transpose these 2 to LHS, it comes under multiplication. So right hand side lo division lo unte left hand side ko vachesariki multiplication avutundi. So 1 into XY, 2 2s are 4. So XY we got as 4 centimeters. Okay. ఇక్కడ వరకు మీకు అర్థమైంది కదా. X and Y ని midpoints గా మనం తీసుకున్నాము. సో ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ AXY కి D and E కూడా midpoints అయ్యాయి. ఓకే. సో midpoint థీరం నుండి ప్యారలల్ గా ఉండి midpoints అయితే DE equals to half XY అనేది యూజ్ చేసి we calculated the XY. Okay. But they are asking to calculate BC. Find BC. Right. So now take complete triangle. Now in triangle, no need of writing now. In triangle ABC, we took X and Y as midpoints, right? So XY parallel to BC and X comma Y are midpoints of AB and AC, right? So by midpoint theorem, xy equals to half BC. We have xy how much? 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters equals to half BC. Again, just transpose this to two LHS. It comes under multiplication equals to BC. So that implies BC equals to 2 fours are 8 centimeters. So they asked to calculate BC. Finally, we calculated BC as 8 centimeters. Second problem, ABCD is quadrilateral. EFGH or midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Prove that EFGH is a parallelogram. So here, to prove EFGH is a parallelogram, first of all, you should know what are the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal and diagonals bisect each other, right? So that those are the properties of parallelogram. So first, just write the given information. Given ABCD is a quadrilateral, EFGH or midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA. So EFGH is joined, you can write, otherwise EF, FG, GH and HE are joined. Okay. So now any quadrilateral, it has a diagonal, right? So AC is a diagonal. And BD is also another diagonal. Okay. So AC and BD are diagonals of ABCD. Okay. So now from figure, this EF is parallel to AC and E and F are also in triangle ABC. Just consider. Okay. So EF is parallel to, in triangle ABC, EF is parallel to AC and EF are midpoints, already we mentioned. So that implies we can write EF equals to half AC. Okay, by midpoint theorem. No need of writing. Okay. If you write, it's good. Similarly, in this triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, this GH is parallel to AC. GH parallel to AC. Again, GH is equals to half AC. Same by midpoint theorem. So let it be 1 and let it be 2. So from 1 and 2, both 1 and 2 right hand sides are equal, right? So then left hand sides are also equal. EF is equals to GH. Okay. సో చాలా సింపుల్గా మీరు ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఒక్కసారి ఏసీని బేస్ చేసి దానికి ప్యారలల్గా రెండు వైపులా ఉన్నాయి కదా సైడ్స్. సో దాన్ని బట్టి హాఫ్ ఏసీ అని రాసేసి అవి రెండు ఈక్వల్ అని రాసేస్తాం. నా అనదర్ డయాగ్నల్ బీడీని బేస్ చేసుకొని హెచ్ఈ అండ్ జిఎఫ్ కూడా ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్పేస్తాం అన్నమాట. See now, in triangle ADB, this triangle HE is parallel to BD. HE is parallel to BD. So that implies again HE is equals to half BD. Reason, midpoint theorem. Okay. So now another side. This triangle BDC. Now in triangle BDC, GF parallel to BD. So that implies GF is equals to half BD. Again this is also by midpoint theorem. So let it be 3 and let it be 4. Now From 3 and 4, we can write these two sides are equal, HE and GF. HE is equals to GF. So let it be capital B. So now just coming to the figure, observe HE is parallel to GF. Already we mentioned here. Okay, HE is parallel to BD and GF is parallel to BD means HE is parallel to GF only, na? So HE parallel to GF and HE is equals to GF. That means opposite sides అనేవి equal అయ్యాయి and parallel అయ్యాయి. So that is a parallelogram. Okay, very simple. So from A and B, EFGH is a parallelogram. Okay, so here one important bit you have to remember. For any quadrilateral, by joining the midpoints, we can form what type of quadrilateral? Parallelogram. Okay,